Strengthen your resume. Engage in cutting-edge research. Find your passion and prepare for your future career. At Texas A&M University this summer, be one of 10 talented students from different disciplines across the nation to participate in the Department of Construction Sciences Research Experience for Undergrads program. Funded by the prestigious National Science Foundation, this exciting opportunity is for undergraduate students of any discipline to do research with world-renowned professors who are working on impactful solutions to real-world issues in and around the construction industry. For 10 incredible weeks, you'll work, play, and stay on Texas A&M's gorgeous campus. You'll also have travel, housing, and incidents covered, along with a living stipend. Have an experience of a lifetime and help take the construction industry to the next level.